Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi and my today's topic is subject screening log and enrollment log. A subject screening log and enrollment log are commonly used documents in a clinical research study to track and manage the recruitment and the enrollment of the participant. First, subject screening log. This log is used to record information about the individual who are screened for the eligible to the participate in a clinical trial or the research study, and it is typically include details such as the subject ID or the initials and contact information and medical history, inclusion and exclusion criteria, and the outcomes of the screening process, and it helps researcher keep track to the potential participant and the ensure that only the eligible individual are the enrolled in the study. Purpose: the subject screening log is a document used to beginning of a clinical research study to track and manage the initial assessment of the potential participant for eligibility. Then content: it includes the details about each individual who undergoes the screening process. Common information recorded in the screening log included the subject initial or the unique identifier, contact information, demographic details, and the relevant medical history. And the inclusion and exclusion criteria are also noted to determine if the subject meets the study eligibility requirement, and the outcomes of the screening process is documented, initiated, whether the subject is eligible to participate in the study. Then the subject enrollment log is once a subject passed the screening process and is deemed eligibility, their information is transferred to the enrollment log, and this log contains the data about the participant who have been successfully enrolled in the study, and including their unique identifier, content status, and the date of the enrollment, and any relevant study related details. The enrollment is crucial for the maintaining an accurate record of the participant throughout the study and tracking their progress, and the ensure compliance with the ethical and the regulatory requirements. Then purpose: the enrollment log is used to record the information about the participant who have been successfully enrolled in the clinical research study, and it helps to maintain an accurate record of the enrollment participant throughout the study duration, and ensure the compliance with the ethical and the regulatory requirement by the documenting information, consent, and the other necessary information. And the content is: it contains details about the enrollment participants such as their unique identifier or the subject, and to subject of ID, and the date of the enrollment and the consent status. And additionally, information may include baseline data, visit schedules, and the other relevant study related details. Thank you everyone.